in the 2020 E-Pace.
The Jaguar E-Pace sport utility vehicle offers an athletic-looking exterior and technology that will impress. The E-Pace is a perfect blend of vast luxury in a compact SUV body.
This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rain sensing wipers, rear fog light, speed control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.